Embrace yourself and live healthy.
Whether you're recovering from knee surgery, dealing with chronic inflammation, or just looking to prevent and restore. Introducing Kneeflow. Kneeflow uses unique 3-in-1 therapy method to provide the most effective pain relief on the market. The Kneeflow massager uses a combination of heat, vibration, and infrared light therapy to provide pain relief to knee joint and cartilage. These penetrate deep into the tissue to improve blood circulation in the knee and decrease swelling and inflammation. Kneeflow's customizable settings can address a variety of knee-related problems to ensure continued mobility. By penetrating into joints, cartilage, and tissue, Kneeflow ensures faster and more effective pain relief, recovery, and increased mobility. Chronic knee pain affects millions of people around the world, from athletes to people suffering from inflammation, arthritis, and effusion. Too often we only focus on its physical effects, but the mental effects of not having an active lifestyle are just as debilitating. Unaddressed knee pain can rob you of your life. Kneeflow is designed with an element of customization to fit perfectly into your life. It is cost-efficient and highly effective. It's an advanced light and heat therapy-based massager designed for preventative care, fast relief, and recovery from chronic knee pain. Our soft massage airbags use low, medium, or high pressure to ease muscle tension, increase blood circulation, energize knee cells, and alleviate pain, inflammation, and swelling. And our infrared light technology provides healing red light to target damaged joints, reduce inflammation of ligaments and tendons, and improve blood circulation. And the best part? Kneeflow is portable, cordless, easy to use, and has a built-in microchip that automatically powers down every 15 minutes to avoid overheating and overuse.
Hi there, I'm Nida. I've always been an active person. A few years ago, I started suffering from chronic knee pain, which significantly impacted my physical life as well as my mental health. I was also a new mom, and my worsening knee condition wasn't helping my general well-being.
Support us in our well-being journey and order your Kneeflow today to make a difference in your life.
As it did in mine.
Is the world's first heated electric massage pen for the jaw, designed by an engineer who spent the last 4 years of his life dealing with TMJ disorder, from clicking to lockjaw to surgery. He set out to build the ultimate relief multi-tool for people just like him who deal with non-stop headaches, muscle tension, pain, and lockups. Because flare-ups happen anywhere, anytime, and the only reason you have to suck it up and deal with the pain is because no solution out there is convenient enough. Which is why at the click of a button, you get enough heat output to actively block pain, melt tension, and increase blood flow. And at the click of another button, you get 4 vibration power levels, gentle enough for the delicate TMJ, all converging at the tip, machined from aluminum for a firm massage that'll dig out the muscle knots rooted in your face. There are hundreds of ways to use myTMJ pen for relief, which can be a little daunting at first. That's why it comes with all the tutorials you'll need to find exactly what works for you. As a TMJ patient, I know firsthand how many scammy products are out there, and I did want to add to that. So if you ever feel like myTMJ pen didn't change your life within the first 90 days, just feel free to return it and I'll give you a full refund. On September 6th, myTMJ pen is launching on Indiegogo, where it needs your help to enter full production. We're so close to getting this thing out there, we just need the money for regulatory and production fees. So please, any contribution makes a huge difference to the algorithm, as does sharing it with anyone you know who has TMJ. We got 1 month to make this thing happen. See you on the other side.
Introducing the Heal Plus and Calm Plus, 2 breakthroughs in gut health technology. utilizing red light therapy and vagus nerve stimulation to offer pain relief, promote digestive wellness, and support your transformation from pain to possible. Every day, 40% of Americans' daily lives are disrupted by digestive troubles, with millions waking up to discomfort of gut-related issues like IBS and colitis. This physical pain also takes a toll on mental health. But what if relief was just a light away? The Heal Plus is worn around the waist to provide on-demand relief from IBS, colitis, and other conditions causing gut discomfort. And for a holistic wellness approach, the Calm Plus is worn around the neck to stimulate the vagus nerve, one of the biggest nerves connecting the gut and brain, and works alongside the Heal Plus to reduce inflammation, improve sleep, and enhance your body's natural healing processes. With the Heal Plus, you're not just relieving pain, you're improving the function of entire body systems, primarily the digestive system, the health of which has a massive impact on the rest of the body. Backed by over 6,000 studies on red light therapy and safe low-level lasers, the Heal Plus stands apart with its non-pharmaceutical, user-friendly approach to improving gut health, with over 25,000 people already enjoying incredible success. To make your Pain to Possible journey as interactive as possible, the Kineon app allows you to control and customize the duration, intensity, and frequency of your sessions. Track your progress towards a healthier gut, making wellness an effortless part of your daily routine. Together, the Heal Plus and the Calm Plus offer a comprehensive solution to reduce pain and inflammation, supporting and fast-tracking your journey to optimal health. Pre-order now to be among the first to experience the portable red light therapy revolution at the best price there will ever be. Illuminate the path to better gut health today and kickstart your journey from pain to possible.